Of course, there's a lot of fun on the way, but also this can be dangerous with especially conditions on the roads. And SCDOT crews are trying to get you ready for that. 7 News' Ripley Simone is continuing team coverage tonight.
You've heard it countless times. Snow, ice, and driving do not mix. That's why SCDOT is urging drivers to grab their essentials now and avoid the roads on Saturday. Secretary of Transportation Justin Powell says SCDOT crews are anticipating hazardous conditions and drivers getting stuck in snow. In an effort to stay ahead of the snowfall, Powell says trucks are currently pre-treating primary routes, interstates, and bridges, and the next phase of work begins Friday with 24-hour operations.
We have 3,000 employees that are now on, will be going on to shift work and will be prepared to work through the duration of the storm. We have 1,200 pieces of equipment that are ready to go. And we've been spending the past several days getting our equipment ready, restocking our salt supplies, being ready to make the brine that is needed to go on the roadways to be ready to respond and ultimately recover from this event.
Clearing roadways was a big concern following last week's ice storm. Powell says the timeline of clearing streets this time all depends on how much snow falls. Interstates like I-85 and 26 will be treated and cleared first, followed by primary routes and secondary streets.
What I want the public to know is that we are ready for this event. We have been preparing for this event, but I think the public needs to be prepared that this could be a very significant event in terms of the amount of snowfall. So what we ask is as we see what actually falls on the ground from the forecast, the folks need to be patient.
Powell says drivers can prepare their vehicles by checking the tires and fuel and purchasing equipment like a de-icer.
But at the end of the day, staying off the roads is probably the best advice I can give folks when it really starts coming down in terms of snow.
In Spartanburg County, emergency management teams plan to have 2 shelters open, and they aren't expecting significant power outages. In Spartanburg, Ripley Simone, 7 News.
So if you need access to one of the Spartanburg County shelter locations, the hours are going to be posted on their social media pages tomorrow.